Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my crew, who I call my subbies, and welcome if you're watching me for the first time. I'm Desiree Marie and I do lock videos. I talk about my hair all the time. I've been locked for almost 3 years now, and I've shown you guys everything concerning my hair from the very beginning. From the very beginning when I started my 2-strand twists, and it has now developed into locks. I show you guys everything from when I wash my hair, maintain it, and style it. I give you guys everything, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So if you're interested in seeing what my journey looks like, to gain a little inspiration, hit the subscribe button and tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell a friend. Also hit me up on Instagram. I'm on there. It's Desiree Marie _. There you can find me in between my when I'm here and not here, and you get the point. But yes guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today is kind of like a bittersweet video, okay? And it's not I know some of you guys may be thinking, Desiree, it is not all of that, but guys, today I'm going to be talking about 2 products that I'm going to be throwing away, not to use it again in my lock maintenance routine at all. These products I have used with my retwisting, and they have really helped me. Like, they have helped me to get the look that I want and to keep the look that I want for a little bit longer than what I would normally hold a retwist with, because I live a very active lifestyle. I work out and I'm very busy, so I need something that will hold. And I've said this a lot, I need something that will hold. I used everything. I've used everything from a DIY aloe vera gel to the flaxseed gel, and nothing has worked. However, as you can see, I retwisted my hair just recently using natural products. And if you follow me on Instagram, you saw exactly what I used. Those things I will be showing in an upcoming video, but today we're going to deal with the ones that I'm not going to use anymore. Now, if you have followed me this far, you know exactly what I use when I retwist my hair, and it always features this. Every time I retwist my hair, you guys know I always reach for my Jamaican mango and lime twisting gel. I did a whole video on why I use this locking gel, and yes, it has worked for me. It has helped my hair to hold and smell nice and fresh, but I can't deny that it is not 100% natural. I cannot deny that there are some ingredients in here that either I don't know anything of, or I've heard rumors that are very dangerous for your health. And right now I'm just more in the mode, like more in the mindset of developing more organic lifestyle little by little. So obviously it's not going to happen 100% once at once in my life, but I want to start with my hair routine. So the Jamaican mango and lime not only includes mineral oil, paraffin, and some other things I can't even pronounce, but it also includes D&C yellow 5 and D&C red 33. I don't care that it has fragrance, but those 2 ingredients right there, the red and the yellow, raise up a little bit of suspicion to me, because recently I threw out my Eco Styler gel because it had some of those ingredients, and I see it yet finding itself in another product that I use for my hair. So man, I really love this. I love this gel, and I have so much left, but I'm gonna have to say goodbye to it because it's not natural. And me knowing that it's not 100% natural, and also including those ingredients, kind of leave me with a bad feeling as I'm touching it and putting it into my hair, touching it, and it's getting into my skin. I don't feel 100% at peace with this. Like I say always, don't take my journey as law. I just share these things with you guys so that you can see what I'm doing, how I'm getting to know my hair, and get inspired to kind of think outside of the box. But me knowing that this does not work for my hair just gives me a cringy feeling, and it doesn't give me peace. I would always say when you guys want to know what works and what doesn't work for your locks, I would say get to know your hair, get to know what works for you, and go with your peace. If you don't have peace with a certain product, you should probably not use it because it's not the best for you. So I love this product, guys. I have nothing wrong with it except for those ingredients that are not 100% natural. And I have seen that there is scientific study that it leads to other health issues. So I gotta throw this out, guys. I got to. I'm gonna have to, you know, do something that will kind of help me with my retwist when I want to keep my retwist after going to the gym and just having a, you know, busy lifestyle. I'm gonna have to find a way to maintain my retwist, but I'd more feel better doing it in a natural way than with using a product that is not 100% natural. Not saying this is not good for everyone else, but for me right now, seeing those ingredients, even though I've used it for so long, it doesn't fit my lifestyle right now. So I'm gonna have to say goodbye. You guys know how I feel about my Jamaican mango and lime. So another product that I'm going to be tossing is something I know you guys have something to say, okay? You know how I love to lay my edges, okay? You know that I love to have a nice crisp look when I retwist my hair. I want it to look like I just left the hair salon, okay? So always it includes edge control. And lately I've been using, I have not really shown you guys because I know some of y'all gonna judge me, but I've been using the 24-hour edge tamer. I think I showed this once before. I got this for $7.99 at a regular beauty supply store. And it's good for holding your hair. Obviously it doesn't hold your edges down 24 hours. But every time I open it and I use it and I smell it, it gives me the feeling that I'm about to get a headache. I don't know if you guys know what that feels. I'm sure you do. When you smell something that has so much fragrance that you feel like you're going to get a headache. That's how I feel with this. And sometimes I actually do catch a headache shortly after using this because I'm smelling it all day. I love it because, you know, it doesn't give me buildup. I don't have to deal with that when it comes to this. I don't suffer from buildup from this. But it is a thick consistency, and I do try to avoid any kind of waxy ingredients because I know with me, I can easily get buildup from just about anything. And so using anything thick like this, I should know better. I should know better than to use it. But some of the ingredients here, of course, are water, glycerin, glycerin coat, PEG 40, hydrogenated castor oil, kernel oil, fragrance, phenoxyethanol. I can't use this. I can't just sell myself out to lay my edges for a few hours. I can totally find a different way to lay down my edges than to use something that I know is not good for my long-term health. And that's pretty much what I'm trying to get with right now. What works for my long-term health? You know, I don't want to just have a nice hairstyle just to lay my edges and look good for a few hours. I want something that will actually keep my hair in a nice state, but also help my health as well. Something that gives me peace so that I'm not using stuff that makes me feel a little cringy. Inside, I'm praying that it doesn't do anything harmful to my health. So, I mean, I love this. It says it includes argan oil, which I don't see any ingredient back here that says argan oil. Some of these products be lying. Like, some of them will say, oh, it's natural. It's natural. It's made of argan oil. They use these words. Some of these products use the words argan oil and coconut oil and these different, you know, natural ingredients because they know that we, black women, or whosoever is always shopping for hair items, gravitates to something more natural these days. These days we're not all about putting harmful things into our hair and into our bodies. We're more thinking health conscious thoughts, even when it comes to our hair. So this has lied. I know it doesn't have castor oil. I know it doesn't have argan oil, but just for the aesthetics I use this, and I'm just gonna have to go ahead and say no, goodbye. I'm almost done with it anyway, but gee, every time I open it I just feel like I'm going to get a headache. For professional salon use only, no more edutainment. So yeah guys, these are the products that I am deciding to toss into the garbage. Believe me guys, I'm going to do it like right when I finish this video. But yeah, I'm just not going to use that anymore. Now showing you guys the products that I'm going to use for my retwist until I find what works for me. So like I always say, you should always experiment with your hair, see what works, see what doesn't. The only way to know what works is by weeding out the things that don't. So for me, I know that from my lock journey, this doesn't work and this doesn't work. So now I'm going to stick with the basics, eliminate those things, and I'm going to be sticking with my Nature's Blessings hair food. This is a natural ingredient. It includes a natural product. It includes lots of natural things. The only thing it does not that is not 100% natural is the mineral jelly, but that's okay with me. I'm all right with that. You know, so far the mineral jelly has been good with, you know, the moisture and keeping the moisture in my hair. So I'm willing to look over that right now. But it includes things like argan oil, African rosemary oil, sage oil, vitamins A, B5, and D3. You know, essential oils, and just a little bit of fragrance. But I feel more at peace. Honestly, I feel more at peace using this. Also, it's made in New York. Hey! Not saying that that makes it the best, but I'm all right with this. It's a clear color. The consistency is just fine, and it always leaves my roots feeling very nice and moisturized. Also, I'm going to be using black castor oil. Yes, the real thing. I'm not using a castor oil that is mixed with all these other things claiming to be castor oil or mixed with castor oil, but not really. So I'm willing to use this on my roots to not only thicken it, but to moisturize it, and yeah, just see how my hair works with this right now. The castor oil is great for holding. It's a very thick oil, so I do look forward to seeing how this will hold my hair and also thicken up my hair. Guys, I've told you guys about the little bit of you know, the edge situation on the right side of my hair, and I'm looking forward to using this and seeing how it works for my hair and how it progresses, you know. And the only ingredient here is extra virgin black castor oil, so it's natural. I know exactly what it is. I don't feel skeevy using it. Yes, it is a little thick, but I know, of course, to kind of dilute it a little bit and not use a whole lot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is it. This is pretty much my retwisting routine right now until I find a better routine. I'll be experimenting, of course, mixing in different things here and there, but I feel more at peace with this, and I encourage you to go with what you feel is best for you. You know, what's best for me may not be best for you. I know some people that say, oh, I use aloe vera gel and it's good enough, or I use water and that's fine. Go what works for you, you know. And I encourage you to play around and see if your hair reacts well with other things. In that way, you learn your hair and you find better ways to improve on your DIY at home hairstyles and maintenance routines. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That is my video. That's how I am decluttering the things that do not serve me any purpose right now with my mindset, and it does not contribute to my inner peace. I'm going to be throwing those products away and bringing in like I showed you guys these, and seeing how it works for me. So if you're interested in knowing what that looks like for my hair progressing from now on, hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be giving you guys updates like I always do. And let me know what you use to retwist your hair down below. How does it make you feel? Does it give you peace when you put your hand in that solution and have to touch it, have to let it, you know, into your skin? How does it feel using it, and how do you feel applying it to your hair? How does your hair like it? Do you know what your hair likes, and do you know what it does not like? Let me know down below. I'd love to continue the conversation. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching yet another video. Subscribe, and I'll see you later.